Alright everybody, we are going to use our Casio calculators to decide which graph is the best fit for the points that we're giving in our assessment. But I can't hand in my Casio calculator, not on an online test like this one. So how do I do it? Well, we have to use what we call an emulator. So that's when your computer pretends to be a calculator, and of course we can take screenshots of our computer. So let's search for the Casio Graphics Calculator Emulator. And when we do, we've got a few choices here. We can get the calculator itself, but I want to get some of the software that goes with it. So I'm going to pick this one. Right, so I'm looking through here. I've got a few choices. I have a Windows machine, so I'm choosing Windows. And now we're looking for the particular one we want. And it is in here, FX Manager Plus subscription. Now look over here, I see FX9750G2I. That's the calculator we want. So I'm going to choose download. Right, you of course would choose student, and you're an upper high secondary school student. You are in New Zealand, so we'll find New Zealand on the list. Nobody ever reads those things. And then we, of course, click download. So when you download, you get a zip file over here, ready to go. Open up that eventually, and you'll get this thing. It's called your FX Manager. Okay, so you got these choices. Do you want to pay for it? No, I don't want to pay for it at the moment. I've got 90 days free trial. 89 days left for myself, and when it runs, here it is here. So I'm going to get rid of some of these other things. I don't need it that big, and all these other little windows I don't need any either, so I can get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, and finally get rid of that. So here's my calculator. I can use it like a normal calculator. So if I want to do a graph, I have to push these buttons to get to graph, and I can start doing that. So I could, for example, do an x squared graph, and I can draw that. There it is. And change my viewing window to a standard viewing window, and I can draw that, and there's my parabola. Okay, so that's how to get a calculator on your screen, and then you can use it for all the things you need to use it for. If you have any questions, please ask, and in our next video we'll look at using the calculator to fit the points. Thank you.